All dear students, today we will be discuss a very important topic of BCom part first year students. BCom part first year students, ABST paper first financial accounting. Financial accounting chapter and introduction accounting. Share capital. Share capital. Today discuss share capital. Share capital is a very important topic for all commerce students. All students are requested to note important notes of this e-content and watch video at the end. Let's start of today lectures. Share capital. Share capital for each class of share capital, different classes of preference share to be treated separately. Preference share is separate of equity share. Preference share separate from equity share. Number one, the number and amount of shares authorized. Balance sheets left side. First show authorized share capital. Authorized share capital, the number and amount of shares authorized. Second, the number of shares issued and subscribed. Share capital. Second, so in balance sheet in liability side, issued and subscribed share capital. Issued and subscribed share capital and fully paid. Subscribed but not fully paid. Subscribed but not fully paid. So in balance sheet liability side. As value per share. As value per share. Like 50,000 equity share at the rate of 10 rupees each. So in the balance sheet, second, reconciliation of the number of shares outstanding at the beginning and the end of the reporting period. Reconciliation of the number of shares outstanding at the beginning and the end of the reporting period. The right preference share and restriction attaching to each class of shares, including restriction on the distribution of dividends and the payment of capital, repayment of capital. The right preference shares and restriction attaching to each class of shares, including restriction on the distribution of dividends and the repayment of capital. Shares in respect of each class in company held its holding company or its unlimited holding company, including share held by or by subsidiary or associate of the holding company or the unlimited holding company is aggregate. is the aggregate. Shares in the company held by each shareholder holding more than 5% shares, specifying the number of shares held. Shares in the company held by each shareholders more than 5% shares, specifying the number of shares held. Sites received for issue under option and contracts commandments for the sale of shares, disinvestment, including terms and amounts. For the period 5 year immediately preceding the date has prepared. Aggregate number and class of shares allotted as fully paid in paid up pursuant to contract without payment received in cash. B. Aggregate number and class of shares allotted as fully paid up way of bonus share. Aggregate numbers in class of shares brought bank. Aggregate number in class of shares brought bank. Transport securities convertible into equity preference share is issued along with the earliest date of conversion in descending order starting from the farthest such date. Descending order start from the farthest such date. Calls unpaid. Calls unpaid mean calls invite but not paid is calls unpaid. Show me aggregate value of calls unpaid by director and officers. Forfeited shares. Amount original paid up. Forfeited shares. Amount original paid up. This means share capital. Share capital, backbone of business. Share capital is very important for all business equity activity in everyday business not running without share capital. Share capital show in balance sheet liability sides. Share capital show authorized share capital, issued and subscribed capital, less unpaid calls, and paid calls show in balance sheet asset side. and share forfeited, all are shown in the balance sheet of share capital. Share capital is the very important for every business. Thank you.